Die-casting metals. Advantages of zinc alloys. Zinc alloys stand out as a top choice for metal die casting. This is due to their exceptional physical and mechanical properties, cost effectiveness, and high recyclability. With over 6 decades of experience, Deco Products understands the numerous advantages that zinc alloys offer for die casting applications. Zinc alloys possess high strength and hardness, making them ideal for manufacturing complex and precision metal components that also need to be durable. Zinc alloys demonstrate higher rigidity than plastic or aluminum, making them an excellent alternative when parts with increased impact strength are needed. As such, their superior die cast properties make zinc alloys the preferred choice for die casting at Deco Products. The high thermal and electronical conductivity of zinc alloys make them highly suitable for electronic devices and heat dissipation applications. Connectors, switches, sensors, and heat sinks often incorporate zinc alloys due to their excellent performance in these areas. Zinc alloys offer exceptional dimensional accuracy and stability. With their low melting point and high fluidity, these alloys can effortlessly fill thin walls and intricate shapes. This results in minimal defects and shrinkage. Zinc alloys can create fine details such as logos, text, or patterns on the surface of components. Therefore, they exhibit excellent finishing characteristics, including smooth surfaces, corrosion resistance, and aesthetic appeal. These alloys offer the flexibility of being plated, painted, and polished, or coated with various materials to enhance their appearance and functionality. This enables a wide range of options in terms of colors, textures, and effects such as matte, glossy, or antique finishes. Lastly, zinc die casting enables the creation of thin walls and ensures outstanding surface smoothness. This simplifies the preparation process for plating and painting. An added advantage of zinc alloys is their environmental friendliness and full recyclability. Zinc is a naturally occurring element abundantly found in the Earth's crust and can be easily recovered from various sources. Zinc alloys can be reused without compromising their quality or performance. By recycling zinc alloys, energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions can be reduced while also saving raw material cost. If you're interested in learning more about the role of zinc die casting in sustainable manufacturing, I'll go ahead and put a link down below in the description. What are the different types of zinc alloys for die casting? Because there are several types of zinc alloys commonly used in die casting today, each with its own unique characteristics and advantages. And here are some examples. ZAMAK 2 or zinc alloy 2, the highest strength and hardness within the ZAMAK family. It is about 25% stronger as cast than ZAMAK 3 and 10% stronger than ZAMAK 5, with higher hardness than both. ZAMAK 3 or zinc alloy 3, the most widely used zinc alloy in North America and at Deco Products. ZAMAK 3 is regarded for its good mechanical properties and castability. ZAMAK 5 or zinc alloy 5 is widely recognized as the predominant zinc alloy in the European market. Zinc alloy 5 offers higher strength, hardness, and better creep resistance than ZAMAK 3. ZAMAK 7 or zinc alloy 7, a modified version of ZAMAK 3 with lower magnesium content and tighter impurity specifications. It boasts improved castability, ductility, and surface finish. ZA8. ZA8 or zinc aluminum alloy 8. A zinc aluminum alloy with higher aluminum content than the ZAMAK group, providing increased strength, hardness, and improved creep resistance. And finally, we'll round this up with EZAC, a zinc aluminum copper alloy known for its high strength, hardness, and creep resistant. It is the last development in the commercially available zinc die-cast alloys. Zinc alloys excel at versatility and cost-effective die-cast metals, providing numerous advantages for various applications. Zinc alloys possess exceptional properties like strength, thermal conductivity, and dimensional accuracy. They are a preferred choice for manufacturing durable and intricate metal components. If you need a reliable zinc die-cast manufacturer, do not hesitate to contact Deco Products today for a quote. Benefit from our expertise in delivering high-quality, tailored zinc die casting.